Right, Shekhar. So, Mad About Wheels as a concept, when we thought of, I think, when you work with a lot of corporates and you deal with a lot of changes and processes, you always look at there is something more which is more exciting to do. And when it was more exciting to do, I could have easily done it in the IC engine part of it, similar kind of a program or something like that. But at the same time, when I was working on, and I spoke for through SME Forum and Aurangabad. It was a program on electric mobility. I could see an audience of more than 100 and students and all. It was at IGTR. And we just I just got that click that day. I think this is the first thing we should do. I think because we know the vehicle park is small, the contribution today is just maybe between 1 to 2% in terms of the market as compared to the total industry what currently we have, and the share of business is what brands are carrying. We thought it's a great entry for a brand to come into place and to grow along with the journey of the new era of mobility. And mobility is what has been always tempting me to keep working around and hands on all the processes. And I think that's what brought me here. Innovation is what I love to, and that's something which I would like to keep it for now. Yeah.